The White House, the most powerful home on Earth.
But inside these walls lies a history of fire, war, and hidden rebuilds.
This story begins before the White House was even finished.
Built for a young nation, still finding its strength. A symbol of hope and vulnerability. Then, war came to the capital.
During the War of 1812, enemies reached the city.
The White House was set on fire. History burned from the inside out. What remained was a broken shell.
For a time, the White House stood abandoned.
But the nation chose to rebuild. Brick by brick, the symbol returned.
But beneath the surface, the building was failing.
The White House was slowly collapsing from within.
The White House was secretly rebuilt.
A modern skeleton hidden behind historic stone. All while the world watched, unaware. The past was preserved, the danger removed.
Secret defenses were built below ground.
The White House prepared for the unthinkable.
Fire! War! War! Rebuild! Rebuild! Scars of history remain. What you see today is not the original.
It is a survivor.
Rebuilt again and again. Because history refused to let it fall.